Let's go walking. Nice day out today. A little warm, not too hot. You can see. Still didn't trim my roses yet. I've been so busy. Look at that. These tomatoes got blooms on them. Flowers, rather. Can you see the little tomatoes on this one here? This one here got more blooms on it. I gotta trim some leaves off these plants. There's the watermelons. Still growing. And oh, there's a little tomato on this one, the one that came up volunteered out here. Interesting. They did get some tomatoes on it. Yeah, if you leave tomatoes seeds on the ground and stuff, 50-50 chance that would be popping back up as tomato plants after the winter's over. We get quite a few of them just volunteer out of the ground, and then some seeds I saved the Amish way. Come on, girl. How much you want to smell? Let's go, Lucy. Yeah. Mushrooms just dying out there. Oh, hit that limb in my head. Look at these mole track tunnels here. I gotta do something about this. Come on, Lucy. Come on, girl. Oh, it's always windy right here. Oh, what we got here? A little wild strawberry. I heard they taste nasty. Come on. Lucy. Let's go. Hostas losing their leaves, flowers. Not much coming out the fountain. There's no sunshine. There's daylight, but no sunshine. These things here got little flowers on it. Let's go in the house. And did I pay any attention? You guys use the bathroom? Oh, let's see. I don't think you did. Thanks to folks for walking with you. So thank you, folks. Thanks for watching, folks. Come back.